Asin rasanya. Rasanya asin. Hi guys, how's it going? Minggu kemarin saya tanya pertanyaan di Instagram saya, apa makanan Korea kesuka Anmu? Banyak request untuk ini. Jadi hari ini saya mau coba bikin tteokbokki pakai keju. Bahan-bahan untuk bambens tteokbokki pakai keju, tteokbokki, cabe, bawang putih, daun bawang, keju cheddar, kimchi. Kimchi, saya suka ini. Gochujang, di bahasa Inggris hot pepper paste, asli dari Korea. Cuka beras, kecap asin, minyak wijen dan wijen. Sedikit gula, lada hitam atau lada putih, kaldu ayam juga. Pertama, didihkan air putih di sini di panci dan tambahkan tteokbokkinya. Oke guys, masak ini tteokbokki di sini untuk 1 menit setengah. Jangan lupa aduk. Oke guys, ini sudah siap. Kemudian tambahkan sedikit minyak wijen di sini di penggorengan. Oke, sedikit-sedikit. Tambahkan cabe sama kimchi juga. Gunakan bawang putih juga. Bawang putih di sini di penggorengan. Oke, sekarang pakai api kecil karena bawang putihnya cepat gosong. Berikutnya mau gunakan kaldu ayam 80 ml gochujang. Terus mau gunakan 1 sendok teh kecap asin. Saya mau sedikit rasanya asam juga. Setengah cuka beras. Untuk bambens tteokbokki pakai keju, saya mau gunakan sedikit gula. Jangan lupa sedikit lada hitam. Ingin mau pakai garam karena sudah tambahkan ini kecap asin. Ini asin. Asin rasanya asin. Ini sosnya sudah siap. Dan mau gunakan tteokbokki di atas di sosnya. Aduk lagi. Kelihatannya enak banget. Oke, saya mau cobain. Oh, that's lovely. Pedas, manis juga, asin, asam, oh everything. Oh, it's lovely. So good. Introducing the man himself, the most important thing, Chentong Man. Here he is, the Chentong. Once again. Great. Okay, Chentong, can you do it? Can you do it? Let's have a go. Ini rice cake, tteokbokki di sini di mangkuk. This looks really, really good. I'm liking the look of this. Sekarang saya mau tambahkan keju cheddar di sini di mangkuk dengan tteokbokki, dan bisa diganti ini dengan keju mozzarella, semua keju yang gampang meleleh. Sekarang saya mau panggang kejunya di atas di tteokbokki. Panas. Yeah, it's all good. Cara here, gunakan daun bawang. Jangan lupa wijen juga. All I've got to do now is try it. Let's get some of this keju, some of the cheese, or kimchi too. Can't forget the kimchi. Okay. Oh man. Mantap. This is really good, right? I think the most important thing to do with this dish is don't put too much sugar, okay? Half a teaspoon is absolutely fine. With Korean food, sometimes, especially in Jakarta, I've noticed it's too sweet, and it's sweeter than what you would get in Korea or China or Japan, where Korean food is more popular. It doesn't need to be unbelievably sweet. A little bit of saltiness, a little bit of sourness, asam, tiny bit of sugar as well, brings it all together and you get something really, really nice. I know you love the cheese, okay, so get the cheese on top. Not too sure if in Korea it's normal to have cheese on top of this, I'm not sure. If you've been to Korea and you've seen tteokbokki in the street with cheese on top, comment below, I really want to know. My friend from Korea, he said that they usually don't have cheese with things, but I'm not too sure about this dish, okay? So add more chilies if you want it spicier, obviously. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, this is what, you know, we could have this in Jakarta so easy, okay? So, no problems at all. I'm glad everybody's watched the video. I've enjoyed that, that's been really good fun. Comment below with any advice you want, or if you want me to cook anything. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Don't know what I'm going to cook. Maybe I do a dessert, maybe I do some Japanese food, maybe some Indonesian food. It's up to you. You are the one in control. Ladies, bye. I'm off. I'm eating my kimchi. Love kimchi, love kimchi. Bang Ben's tteokbokki pakai keju. Saya mau. Start that again. Pertama, mendidih air. Semua keju yang gampang mencair.
Meleleh.
No, meleleh. I had a different word actually. Tteokbokki? Tteokbokki, yes, you are tteokbokki.